Hi, this is Ross Randall with the Lamar County School District. I want to welcome our upcoming kindergarten students to the 22-23 school year. Families, if you currently have a student in our pre-K program with the Lamar County School District, you will be registering your kindergarten student as a returning student. You should have received a code from the school that will allow you to log into your active parent account and complete the registration for the 22-23 school year. If you are new to our district and are registering a kindergarten student that attended a pre-K program somewhere other than Lamar County Schools, you will be registering your student as a new student. I'm going to go over that process with you so that you know exactly what to do. If you'll head to our website, lamarcountyschools.org, and click on Active Parent. All the registration happens in the Active Parent account. If you have a student currently with us, you should already have an Active Parent account. If you're new to our district, you will need to create an account. You do that by going to Active Parent and clicking on the link at the bottom that says Create an Active Parent Account, Start New Registration. You'll click on that and you'll fill out the required information here, and then you'll create a user. Once you have your account, you will log into your Active Parent account and you'll click on Student Registration, which is the link right at the top. And for families with students that have not previously attended Lamar County Schools, you'll want to create a new registration without a code. You'll click this link. You will select your school. If you're not sure which school zone you live in, you can check that out on our website. There's a link on the left that says School Locator. So you'll select your school, and then you'll put in your student's name and the birth date. And then click Create Registration. That's going to add your student to the list of students to select from for registration. If you don't have any other students in our district and you're new to the district, you'll only have one in the drop down, but you're going to select that student. And then to get started, select the registration type of new kindergarten students. When you select that, there's some information here that tells you what type of documents you're going to have. Click Begin Registration. Through the registration process, you'll see there are some fields that are denoted with a red asterisk. Those are required. We'd like you to fill out as much information as possible through the process, but you have to fill out the required information or you will not be able to submit. When you do get all the way through to finish, you're going to select Confirm and you're going to enter your name and you're going to save and finish. If there is anything that you have missed that was required, it's going to show you that. It'll tell you in red what sections you've missed, and over here, any block that has red around it, it'll let you know that you've missed some information in there. Go back to those blocks and make sure that you get all that information submitted. Once you have everything done, when you hit submit, you will it'll get a message that says you have successfully submitted the registration. And that's all you have to do. And then wait for the school to contact you. If you have any questions through the process, you can reach out to the school to which your child will be attending, and they'll be happy to help you with that. Thank you very much.